Hi, welcome back or welcome to Corso di Tromba. I'm Davide, the founder of this YouTube channel, the website www.corsoditromba.com and the other socials. In today's video, we are gonna see what are the 4 basic pillars that you must know if you want to start learning the trumpet, or in general, if you want to improve your trumpet skills. So this video is not dedicated to professional trumpet players, but for everyone who is starting or already is able to play the trumpet, but maybe they don't know how to play it correctly. We are gonna address and answer today in this video. And the first one is air. Air can be fast or can be slow, of course. Of course, you know that if you are using fast air, when you play, the sound is getting lower. No, it's wrong. It's getting higher. Of course, it's getting higher. So, fast air, high notes. And slow air, it means low notes. Of course. So now what's the issue? Because you can think, I already knew this. I already knew that in order to play higher, I need to play faster. But you could also think that you also know that in order to play higher, you need to play louder. Did you know that? If you knew this, this is wrong. Because actually what happens when you are playing louder is that you are giving much more support from your diaphragm, as well as pressure inside your oral cavity, so from your mouth. So if you increase the pressure, what's happening is that the airspeed is increasing. And of course, behind this concept, there are much more small details. For example, air direction, air management, air pressure, breath support. But this level of details is all what I teach inside my video courses in my website or with webcam lessons. If you want to know more, please check out the website and you will find out more. And the second one is the tongue, because of course what's happening is that when we play the trumpet, the tongue is moving. But how? That's the point. You can think that if I'm gonna raise my tongue, I'm gonna produce a higher sounds. This is also written, for example, in the calling book, right? Do you know that if you play I, if you play the E, the tongue is raising, right? But the point is, how is it raising? Because if you just try now if you're able to whistle, just do it. And now raise the tongue. No air, no sounds. So how does it raise the tongue? On the back side. So this is the concept behind the how does it move. Okay, and it's not just like this. I can post down here a video from Sarah Willis MRI, where you can see how she plays on different technical stuffs, from staccato, slurred, high register, low register, and you can see how the tongue moves. And then the fourth pillar is music. What does it mean? Even if it is just chamber music with a piano, maybe the pianist is doing a scale, maybe he's doing a chord, but you need to imagine that. You need to imagine the right rhythm. Only in this way you can eventually be able to get into the right concept of the right music, because someone has already started playing the music, so you just need to dive into what the other musician has prepared for you. It's much easier. It takes out a lot of stress. You see how much important is this pillar, music. For different music purposes, you are gonna practice in different ways. And then the last pillar, it's a process. It's a journey, it's a process. And this is linked to technique. Now I'm gonna show you something. These last 3 elements, they are linked together. Usually when we are facing some problems with the trumpet, for example, we are not able to play in tune, or maybe we are late. This is what we think it is a technical problem. But what they don't see is that technique is just the other leg of music. One leg technique, one leg is music. They are not separate. This is why I prepare all these free play-alongs for my students here on YouTube, because during online lessons, during the video courses, I teach you what you need to learn, what is your goal, and then for the play-alongs that are free for everyone, you can eventually link together music, technique, and eventually it's a process. But the whole point is that this is a process. It's not something that you think, okay, I'm gonna achieve it in the next 6 months. No, it's not like that. If you are able to link together all these elements, you will be able to enjoy the process. And I would like to remind you that if you want to support my YouTube and as well on the website, of course you can like the video, you can write a comment if you want to have extra knowledge, if you have some ideas for next videos that you would like me to cover, some topics specifically. But of course, the best thing you can do is to subscribe and to share this video with other people, other trumpet players that you think they could find this video useful. Or if you want to spend just a few bucks, $4, $5, $6 every month to support my channel here on YouTube, you can do it. And I would really appreciate it. And just to let you know, the cheapest membership as a student is straight here on YouTube, starting from 15 euros per month. So it's very affordable. I'm trying to do this for everyone in the world, from every country, so that it's affordable to everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends, and have fun with Corso di Tromba. Bye!